Hey, June 1st update in the garden. It's Chris from CJ's Landscape Design Consultation. And oh, let's not forget the organic gardening. Well, let's take a look at what we've got. Thing I'm happiest about is we brought Mom's Rose back to health and it's actually in bloom. The alyssum's doing nice. Houseplant I brought out. Take a look at a few other things we've got going. Shasta daisies. Tons of marigolds, sunflowers, oregano, Roma tomatoes, wildflower mix, a whole bunch of baby sunflowers. Oh, some more. My cilantro, which was heavily harvested, my nasturtium, and then we've got a new start here. Lynn decided she wanted some different type of tomatoes. These are like an orange variety. We'll see how they do. So far, it's not been a bad season. The weather's been pretty mild for northern New York. So let's take a look at some of the other ones. See, the squash is doing pretty well. Some corn hiding over here. Got corn there. I believe we got some green beans in that one. There's some more squash or pumpkin, that one might be. Squash. There's the pumpkin. And that was empty this morning when I came out here weeding, so I found a cantaloupe I had in the garage, or a greenhouse, and I brought that out. There's some watermelon. We've got peas, lots of fresh peas, snap peas. Brandywine tomato, it's already starting to fruit. More peas, and then another brandywine over there. And then we have all this beautiful bee balm that's getting ready to come into flower. I absolutely love it. It brings the hummingbirds in. So let's take a look at the outside edge. Zinnias, one of them getting ready to bloom. We've got some Roma tomatoes here. Planted some more corn. I already had some growing here. Marigolds are starting to come up nice. And then we've got green peppers, purple alyssum. Let's see, what are these? Roma tomatoes. And the radishes are just about ready for harvest. All right, let's take a walk over by the greenhouse. And over here, you got a green bean starting to come up and some sort of a mutant sunflower that doesn't want to grow, but it's still alive. You got cucumbers going. Our potatoes are absolutely going crazy. Carrots, red potatoes. The others were russets. And we've got a couple of beefsteak tomatoes. There's some basil in there. See the basil. And then we've got a few more to take a look at. Let's see. Lynn's raised bed. The radishes are taking off. The bunching onion's not doing too bad. Carrots are definitely thriving here. And we have her strawberries, which have already flowered. So we're hoping for some berries. Then I've got my little experiment over here by the tree. Yeah, that's zucchini on the bottom. And this is, I believe these are all Roma tomatoes, if I remember correctly. I thought there was another zucchini. There probably is. Or maybe it fell out. It looks like it might have fallen out. Oh well, we've got plenty of them. Now for the last little bit, chives, more green peppers, which they probably want a little more heat than we're getting. Got some more snap peas. I actually got a couple off this the other day. There's some more right there. Roma tomatoes. There's cucumbers back in here. Let's see, nasturtium. We've got some green beans in now over here. Hopefully we'll actually get some this year. And then around the back side of the deck, got a nice couple rows of corn. We've got some cucumbers. We've got some more onions. There's a tomato back in there. There's some peas back in there. And then we got a little hidden garden over here underneath my canoe. Got red potatoes just starting to pop up here. And the russets have been coming up pretty well. So we can expect some more russets come fall. And then we've got a lonely zucchini over here. And that's about it. So thanks for joining me on this up today. Beautiful June 1st. Sun's just coming up through the trees. I think I'm going to stay out in the garden a little longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all those fun things.